Welcome to Xtudy. Today I am going to give you a brief demo on how to use the Xtudy platform. Dashboard. The dashboard gives the brief daily report of the school. Student present gives the number of students present on that particular date. Attendance taken gives the number of class teacher who have taken attendance on that day. SMS credit used is the number of SMS used by the school till now, and the inactive users are the list of users who are not using the school mobile app. Now let's move forward to the notice. To send notice, you have to click on broadcast. Now you have to select the user you want to send message to. You can select all users, all teachers, all students, or you can select class wise. So I'm selecting as all student. You have to type the title of the message. I'm typing as message and write the message here. So I'm typing as you can type any type of message you want. If you want to add a web link, you can directly write it here. Or if you want to send message to the non-smartphone user or the user who are not using the school app, you have to select this option. After selecting this, you have to click on the send SMS button. This gives you a message. This message has been sent successfully. Now move to inbox. All the messages particular for the users will be seen here. So I am using an admin user. So all the messages for the admin will be seen here. All the messages what I have sent can be seen on a sent message tab. By clicking on send message tab, I can see all the messages what I have sent. So I have sent this type of all the messages, and this is the status of messages. If the SMS has been read, it will be denoted by red. If it is unread, it will be denoted by unread. From here, I can edit the SMS or directly can remove the SMS from here. Okay, now move to admissions. In admission section, you can do a lot of things, and you can add a new student, add new teacher, manage the current user. You can migrate the class of the user. You can add a new class, or you can simply upload the student list from the Excel. Now I'm starting from the add student. To add student, you have to type the admission number. So I'm typing an admission number here. You can type any type of admission number, which can include the alphanumeric number or some special character if institute wants to. Now I have to type the name. So I'm typing H. Sorry. Now I have to select the class in which the student have taken admission for. If the roll number is allotted to the student, you can type the roll number. If not, you can leave at the change. If Aadhaar card number is present, you can write it on here. Write the father's name, father's Aadhaar number, father annual income, mobile number, email address, school address, mother's name. You can fill all the details here as blood group, height, weight, category, religion, gender. Submitting all, you can select next. If the student is selecting for the bus facility, you have to select years. You have to choose the month from which they are opting bus facility. So I'm selecting from the April. You have to select the bus number and the stoppage. After completing all the details, you can place next. If a school have the hostel facility, you can choose the different type of hostel facility provided by the school. If the school doesn't have that, you can simply leave at details. After completing all the details, you have to click on the finish. On the same day, you got a new message that the student enrolled successfully. Now, add teacher. In add teacher, you have to type the username for the teacher you want to provide, the password you want to give to the class teacher, name of the teacher, select the class on which they are for the class teacher, select their, so I'm typing test teacher, test, the password is, I'm typing a random password here, teacher, selecting class teacher for class 5, type the mobile number, address, blood group, gender. If the teacher is opting for the bus, they can select the bus details here and click on finish. You will get a message, user added successfully. This means teacher has been added. You can manage this user from here. Some student or teacher want to update their profile, you can directly update the profile. You can edit it, you can change the password, you can view the profile, you can lock the user so they cannot use the mobile app, or you can directly click and see their biometric detail, or you can update their biometric detail from here. Class migration. Class migration can be used at the time of new session. So if you want to migrate a class 1A student to the new class of 2A, and now you will get all the students who are getting migrated from 1A to 2A, and you simply click on update the student, and the teacher will be and then the student will be migrated to the new class. Add new class. If you want to add a new class, you can directly type the add new class form here. Okay, let's move to registration. To take new registration, you can directly take registration from here to which class the student want to take registration for. Name of the student, Aadhaar number, student age, mobile number, the father details or the parental detail, father's name, father occupation, qualification, mother's name, income, city, area, and all, and other info that the gender, the student blood group, old class, old school location, and all. After filling this all, you can see the registered student detail from the registered student. So you will get all the details here and download the Excel report form. Okay, next let's go to academics. In academics, you can take attendance for the student. You can update report card, you can give homework, you can take attendance to the teacher, you can manage subjects. So going to the attendance. So if you want to take attendance for class 1A, you have to simply select 1A. By default, you can see the name of all students, and in front of them all are present. So you have to simply mark absent to those students who are absent, and the rest marked as the present. Now I have to simply update the attendance, and and start. The attendance for class 1A is done. You can see it from here, board absentees, and these are the names of that absentee students. Now let's forward to report card. Report card. If you want to update report card of any class, you have to select the examples. For example, first term, and select the class 1A. So now you have to enter the maximum marks for the subjects and the number they have got in each subject. After filling all the details, you have to select upload marksheet and the marksheet will be uploaded. Homework. You can give daily homework to the student by clicking selecting class, type the homework title, write on their homework and submit on finish. Your homework is done. Teacher's attendance. To take a teacher's attendance, simply select the date. You will get the list of teachers. You can select in the same day, absent, present, and upload the attendance. And the attendance is done. Okay, now let's move forward to Fee Dashboard 2.0. So from here you can get the daily transaction of the fee collection by simply selecting the date. You have to select the date, and for that date you will get all the details: number of transactions, total amount, academic fee, transport fee, and you can directly download the Excel, or you can download the PDF by headwise. All the school and its full particular accountant. Same way you can get the check detail, you can get the date range, transaction, monthly transaction, cancelled, receipt report, class wise report, student wise report, 12-month paid and paid report, and this default list. Okay, now goes to export. Here you can directly print the student details, either class wise or student wise. You can print notice, or you can get credential of the each class. Okay, you can get the teacher's user ID and the password from here, or you can simply download the school fee demand bill. For each class you have to select the class and you have to click on download demand bill,